need to test your backups for a range of reasons, such as compliance documentation, validating backups, and audit requirements. Up until now, it's been a challenge to restore backups into the cloud on your own terms. OffsiteDataSync is proud to introduce its latest offering to our robust technology stack, AutoRecover. AutoRecover by OffsiteDataSync unifies two leading technologies, Veeam and VMware vCloud Director, into a cohesive package utilizing exclusive technology by OffsiteDataSync to fully automate recovery directly to the cloud. AutoRecover puts the power right into your hands by providing a simple, integrated interface. View your cloud backups, select which virtual machines to restore, and with a simple click of a button, deploy a vCloud Director environment and the selected machines restored to it. Leveraging the power of Veeam functionality and OffsiteDataSync's intuitive customer portal offers a remarkable digital experience from start to finish. Simply select the repository associated with your Veeam backup. Choose your required backup copy job and choose which virtual machines to restore. The restore process has begun. Once the restore process completes, you'll receive notifications. Credentials are sent via email to log into your new vCloud Director account. In vCloud Director, the selected virtual machines appear as successfully restored and are available to be booted up. Gain complete control over your disaster recovery environment to perform testing, validation, or compliance initiatives.
OffsiteDataSync AutoRecover is truly a game changer for our customers. Customers now have absolute power over their backups and will use AutoRecover in a variety of scenarios. The possibilities are certainly limitless. This technology actually allows a customer to spin up a disaster recovery environment quickly and easily. Leveraging the power of Veeam and VMware, we have delivered exciting new automation to the world of cloud backup technology.
AutoRecover is all about delivering an extraordinary cloud data management experience and empowering OffsiteDataSync customers with the tools they need to get their virtual jobs accomplished.